Beebee.
Hello.
What do we have here?
We have one bedroom pool view here.
One bedroom pool view.
Yeah, at Atlantis.
Ah,
This unit 40 square meters.
40 square meters.
Yes, pool view.
Pool view, huh? Let's check out the pool.
Let's check out the pool. Here is a resort style.
Yeah, there's a boat down there.
Pirate.
It's a pirate boat?
Pirate. Here's a living area with a couch.
Oh, it's a nice couch.
Fluffy.
I like the pillows. Very cool.
Yeah, and the fluffy things.
Yeah.
And TV. Here's a dining.
Oh, it's a dining table there.
Yeah,
Two
dining
chairs.
table with 2 chairs and shelf to put stuff for decoration.
Nice storage.
Yeah,
More storage.
more storage for shoes, for whatever. And this is the kitchen area.
There's a kitchen. Oh, 2 burner.
To burn the hood, cupboard around here.
More storage.
Yeah, sink, come with microwave and
Yep. Microwave down here. Everything included.
Included. And fridge.
Nice little fridge.
Actually, you can buy
Oh, bigger one.
a bigger one, yeah.
Yeah. For more drinks and more food, right?
This chic bedroom.
Check out the bedroom.
This is the bedroom. It's a queen size. And you can get pool view here as well.
Oh, there's a pool view? Okay. Check it out.
With the little kids.
Little kids playing outside.
Yeah.
Oh, window opens up, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Get a nice fresh breeze in here. Yep. Oh, there's a waterfall down there. Pretty cool.
And
Closet.
closet with a mirror.
Huh? Sliding closet door.
Mm-hmm. 2 slide.
Oh, that's a nice rug.
Yeah.
Furry rug.
Furry.
Check out the restroom.
Restroom. There's a shower out there.
Yeah. Shower, toilet, sink.
Mm-hmm.
Got it all.
And little dogs.
Yep.
Donkey. And storage underneath.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty nice. Nice modern unit. So what is the price for this unit?
The price for this unit on 6th floor, 40 square meters, going to 2.7.
2.7.
Yes.
2.7 million baht. This is for sale.
For sale.
So if you guys want to buy it, it's for sale. Good unit. Nice view. It's in a resort style condominium. And 2 air cons, right?
2 aircon in living room and another aircon in bedroom.
Yeah. Air con top of there. Nice. TV. Cool hat. So this is the pool, huh?
Yeah, we go check out the pool here.
So can we get on the boat?
I don't think so.
You don't think so? What's the boat for then, huh?
Decoration.
Decoration.
Maybe.
Oh, you can get on the boat.
Let's go check. Captain.
You're the captain. It's probably a little too hot, huh? You got burnt. Oh, it's kind of hot. So,
Again. Let's.
can you spin the wheel?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna crash.
But it doesn't move though.
Pretty cool.
Nice.
Yeah,
Nice view.
nice view. Yeah, I like the pool. The pool's pretty awesome. Pretty cool. All right, everyone, that was our tour of the Atlantis Condo Resort Pattaya, located in Jomtien. I think this is a good option if you prefer to live in the quiet Jomtien area, but still would like to be close to the city. The beach is also a short 10-minute walk outside from your condo. This could also double as a nice investment property if you were to rent it out. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. Well, until the next one, take care and have fun.